This video will show you how to add your banking details to the bottom of an invoice and contract in EasyCars. You'll need to open up EasyCars to a vehicle that's in stock so that you can click on the sell button on the right hand side. Once you're in the sell screen, you'll need to pop in some details of a sale. For this purpose, I'll just put in some fake details so that we can preview the invoice and the contract and you can see where it sits. You don't need to fill in the details of the sale. You can go straight over to the invoice text at the top, down to the middle where it says invoice message, and in here you can pop in your banking details. So I'll just fill some out here so that when we preview it, you can see where it sits on the invoice. Once you're happy with the banking details, you'll need to go over to the Invoice Notice tab. Make sure you select the invoice type at the top. And down here at the bottom left, just make sure that you have Print Invoice Message ticked. Once that's done, you can click on Preview and you'll be able to see your banking details at the bottom of the invoice there. Close that preview off and we can do the same for a contract. So go over to the contract text at the top. In the middle section again, just pop in your banking details the same way you did for the invoice banking details. And again, I'll just pop some fake ones in here so that we can preview it and you can see where it sits. Once you're done popping those details in, go back to the Invoice Notice tab, select your invoice type to be contract, and make sure that you have that option ticked at the bottom left. Preview your contract and you can see that your bank details are there at the bottom. Once you're happy with both of those, close the preview off. And what you can do is you can actually either print the sale if it's a real sale. If not, you can always just close the sell screen. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to exit without updating. And then it will ask you if you want to save the changes made to the invoice message. Click yes to that. And click yes to saving the the contract message as well. That way it'll be there for next time. So when you go into the sell screen and you go over to the invoice text, your bank details are there. And when you go over to the contract text, your bank details are there.